Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nu. If you're new here, it's nice to meet you. If you're returning, welcome back. This is your weekly Truth at Heart message where we get deep into matters of love. All right, I hope everyone's doing well. I thank you all so much for being here. I thank Beloved for bringing us together and gifting us both with crystal clear discernment so that we recognize the true from the false and we move forward with clarity, all right? Sounds good. I'll start the reading here with a pre-vibe check using some dice and numerology, okay? Okay, we have the Lover's energy a few times. We have sixes. I have 3 and 12, which to me are iterations of sixes as well. I also got some pre-vibe checks earlier with the numbers 9 and 10. We do have number 10 here. We got 10 a couple of times. And then number 4. Number 4 is visible 3 times as well. So we're getting a lot of energies here for this week's reading. I'm definitely sensing some higher level commitments with those 9s and those 10s earlier on. Oh, we have number 54, which boils to a 9 karmic lesson. So for some, this is about an active relationship. Some of these relationships do have some longevity. We're talking years. And then some of these messages are dedicated to folks who are done with the relationship, but still processing some of what took place during that time, okay? So that's a really special place to be in. I also got golden ticket number 5 as a constantly recurring card during my pre-shuffle. Beneath that, we have 2-4, boils down to a 6, unconditional love. 6 will be the main energy, and then like the 9 and the 4 shortly behind that. So a lot of reflection, a lot of introspection, and there could be some instances where family ties are playing a large part in how you process what's going on a romantic and love and emotional level now, okay? I feel a lot of favorable energy. I feel like if you're waiting on the answer for something, the answer is yes, okay? This would be a good time to start something new or to take risks if these numbers or the reading overall resonate for you, okay? We'll start with my love and romance cards. Dear Beloved, okay, we have emotional safety, number 1, but also number 23. 5 boils down to the Hierophant energy. There is a higher level of commitment that I think is very stable. And then we have number 43, no contact. So somebody may be thinking back on something that was really stable and exclusive, okay, and trying to figure out how to get that other thing back, okay? It's only a matter of time before this reading comes out on the channel anyway. That's super funny. There's something about love that is growing, okay? So with the Lovers, somebody was once lower on a chooser's priority list and they're moving up the ranks. Soulmate energy, all right? Somebody is seeing or witnessing something in someone else that makes them want to move forward and take a leap of faith on them and dreaming of you. That's a really beautiful energy. Number 10, okay? Somebody wants to fix something or look again. One more. Genuine. Wow. With a crown. But that crown also looks like a mountain. So somebody's been through a lot, okay? Somebody's been through trials and tribulations that have led them to this moment of having like a heart opening. Okay, that's really beautiful. With the last card I'll take, okay, late night thoughts. And we have sweet apology at the bottom of the deck. Yes, the answer is yes. So if someone comes to you and apologizes, it is so genuine, okay? I promise. Nothing short. Let's see what characters are involved, especially this late night yearner. Someone's up thinking of you, thinking of you. Are you thinking of them? Okay, we have iodine. This came out in one of my last readings. More Taurus energy though. Niobium, which is about meditation. Okay, so someone has definitely had a break in contact with another, I'm hearing, very beautiful, very illustrious party. Okay, someone likes the way you shine, quite literally, like your luster. Okay, and then we have strontium, number 38, team player. I love this energy. Magnesium on the bottom connects to emotional safety. Magnesium serves our bodies well in multiple ways, but it helps with like sleep and rest. So that's like rest and digest. So there you go. I feel like there's more than one yearner here. One hidden. Zirconium, number 40. Someone's trying to learn more about you before they jump up and react. Why is there so much hesitation in the collective right now? I have the clock with perfect timing. People are trying not to foil what they feel like could be their last or only hope, their only opportunity of getting that yes from you, whether it be reconciliation, whether it be starting something anew together. It feels like in the past, someone was just a little careless, but with all of this sincerity and sweetness here on the board, it really came from an innocent place. Like this was ignorant to the fact and not somebody who really had malicious or play intentions with you, okay? Look at how serious this white wolf is. This is a person who never intended to play with you, beloved. But their inner dialogue, I'm hearing Mercury. They were thinking and moving too quickly in the past. And so only makes sense why they're wanting to take so much sweet time. Now, sweet apology at the bottom of the love oracle, meaning, yeah, odds are in you guys' favor, but they don't have forever with the divine timing and the Hierophant as the main energy here. I feel like this opportunity or this offer is just going to come in just like at the nick of time, you know? Like, you may forget about this message and then it comes through type of thing. Ring of Keys and North Star. Oddly enough, 27 and 3 equals 30, which I feel like is about a lesson learned here. They've been all around the world, seen a lot of places, smiled at strangers, very familiar faces. The point is, a lot of time has passed and a lot has occurred, and still they're being brought back to you, okay? Going back to the soulmate energy, 5, 6, 11, and then 10, dreaming of you. Late night thoughts, girl, genuine. Clarify zirconium. rider, messenger, travel, progress, full speed ahead. This person is just fantasizing about coming forward, but they're not quite ready either. Do you feel the nerves? Look, number 13, domino effect. There's a lot of fantasizing that's slowing people down because they're kind of creating obstacles energetically. Celtic knot. 11 and 10. Okay, so I feel like, let me take a moment to pause here. Moon 32, magnet 32 at the bottom of the deck. I feel like you're so focused on something else. I won't be too cliche and say yourself, because it could be anything else, okay? But Spirit is urging you to hear now that there may be something unfinished, missed, misunderstood, a little bit more complex, and still unfolding as far as the truth goes here, okay? With the dominoes. So it's like you're being urged as well, beloved. You stand out as an independent person, individual. But for connection, you gotta meet people where they're at, right? There is a potential to build something very, once again, genuine, sturdy, stable, Ring of Keys, reliable, White Wolf, genuine, okay? If only, for one, you'll pay attention. Look, Tower, huh? This is gonna come in like a wrecking ball, and it's going to change things up. 7 of Wands, you're gonna try to resist this change. Very much a stubborn energy, trying to remain in a leadership position is something that I'm sensing. When it's time to collaborate, team player energy. Ace of Wands, activity, creativity, King of Pentacles. King of Wands. We have suitors who are actively thinking and considering each other when they evaluate or plan their approach, okay? What energy is the collective, is the viewer in? I don't really care for the dramatics. You know what I'm saying? Just let me know. The Emperor. Whoa. The Hermit, number 9. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Good luck. Whoa, good luck getting through to this right here. This is somebody who is very much preoccupied and focused on their own, okay? What got you in this energy? Something from the past. Empress. Wow. Some past experience in an Empress position. It messed with you subconsciously. Cancer, moon energy. What's up with the moon though? It must have been low-key traumatizing or scary. We have the devil here. Eee! I'll take trauma. So because you've been through the devil and the mountains, your ass don't want to be bothered, okay? You want to remain in a position of control and authority. Understandable here. I want to get a piece of advice that also attests to some sort of basic truth you could rely on when it comes to these suitors that are approaching, okay? High Priestess. Seven of Swords. You can trust that you don't have the full picture. High Priestess, Seven of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. But with you not having the full picture, with the full picture continuing to evolve and knowing that there are mysteries on the table, you know, you deserve to feel and give and receive love, okay? So the love that you feel, the love that you receive is genuine now. Dear beloved, I hope you enjoyed this message. I hope it resonated, and I hope it appealed to the real in you. I'll see you soon, okay? Thanks for watching. Bye.